and welcome to Friday's Celebration Assembly. We're so excited because today we have Betty back. Yes, hi Betty, how are you? Betty's really excited because she has been looking at all the classes and seeing some amazing work that the children have been doing. Yes, she has. And she's really been proud of those children making good choices. Yes, Betty, you are. So Betty is always here on a Friday, well, most of the times here on a Friday, to celebrate with us all the fantastic things. She just loves when children make good choices and work hard. Now, Betty, are you ready to hear who the winners are? You are. That's great. So are you ready? Okay, here we go. Now, first we have the Going for Gold Awards. The first awards we have are in Leeds class. We have Hunter for a super return to nursery. He's kind, caring, and helpful to the new starters. And Cody for a good start to nursery. Cody has settled well and plays well inside and out. In York 1, we have Votak for sitting and listening so well on the carpet and sharing his learning at home. And Reuben for settling in so well and making good friends. In York 2, we have Julia for Super Fred talking when playing a game. We also have Sally for using her voice more when taking part in whole class learning. In whole class, we have Tyler for super independent writing using adjectives to describe the bear. We also have Precious for super counting in maths. In Nottingham class, we have Ruby for super neat handwriting and Mia D for super partitioning in maths. In Liverpool class, we have Sam for fantastic independent writing this week, retelling the story The Bear Hunt. And Bailey for his amazing work with partitioning numbers this week. In Cardiff class, we have Susanna K for her careful and neat work in all of her lessons. And Casper for super effort in his maths lessons. In Edinburgh class, we have Adam for using careful observation skills in the sketch of a Roman emperor. We also have George for working hard to add tone using shading to his artwork. In Cambridge class, we have Lucy for showing a good understanding in maths this week, and Katie for a good attitude towards her learning. In London class, we have Jessica for a positive attitude towards bikeability this week, and Kian Dwayne for his positive attitude towards bikeability this week as well. In Oxford class, we have Amelia for an excellent description of how electrons travel through a circuit or around a circuit. And Holly for persevering with tricky calculations in maths. Well done to all of our children. Give them a big clap. Excellent. Now we have the Year of Knowing Me. First, we have in Leeds class, Joshua and Jessica for growth mindset, for believing they can put their coats on and persevering even when it's tricky. In York 1, we have Isabel for sharing a joke about a plastic conker with Mrs. Jackson, and Harper P for being kind to her friends and grown-ups in class by sharing her conkers from the park. In York 2, we have Rory for always trying his best, and Russell for always having a positive attitude. In whole class, we have Damien for always putting 100% effort into everything he does, and Connor for always having a positive mindset. In Nottingham class, we have Alice for always having a positive attitude to learning, and Anna for always being ready to learn. In Liverpool class, we have Cohen for always being ready to learn, and Alicia for being a kind friend who looks to help and support those around her. In Cardiff class, we have Ruby for showing excellent learning behaviors. She is always ready to learn and follows instructions the first time. And Isabella J for having a positive mindset. In Edinburgh class, we have Naima for overcoming her nerves and settling into our school and getting to know us all and our routines. We also have Maria for showing a growth mindset, challenging herself to learn new things and work hard. In Cambridge class, we have Gracie for being thoughtful and kind towards others, and Lucas for believing in himself and having more confidence towards learning. In London class, we have Riley for managing a big disappointment this week, and Joshua A for managing a big disappointment this week as well. In Oxford class, we have Kristen for being a fantastic role model in Year 6, and George for showing growing confidence in sharing the ideas with the rest of the class. Well done to all of our children. Give them a big hand. Excellent. Well done, children, all of you. I'm really pleased about how the school year has started, and I'm really proud of you of how hard you're working. Next week, you get to see someone very special who's going to become a member of our school community. Exciting! All right, everyone, have a good week in, and I'll see you next week. Bye.